call up Ren Parikh, founder of the Ideal Institute of Technology and Welfare to Work. I love that, the welfare to work. So that sounds pretty innovative.
Thank you.
So tell us a little bit more about welfare to work and a little bit more about yourself too and how you came to this point.
So I call myself and my life experience as a true American dream. I'm living it. I came August 13, 2000 to America. I was 22-year-old, undocumented, couldn't speak English. My first job was on a Boardwalk, if you guys remember Ocean One Mall. I was a $3 an hour. And jitney was 50 cents. I couldn't afford that, so I used to walk from Regency to Ocean One Mall, going in the winter time, going into the casino to avoid the winter. So from there to now, this year, we're doing $15 million development in Pleasantville. So if I can do it, anybody can do it. That's what I say. So I work with a lot of at-risk youth in Atlantic County, do education, training, workforce development. And when I see the Silicon Valley and Boardwalk, I see a lot of movers and shakers here, and particularly our friends at the Atlantic County Economic Alliance. I read the strategic plan that 7 years ago that how Atlantic County Economic Alliance wants to do the innovation, and now we're seeing the result. And I was just reading that the expansion county commissioner voted for the next phase. So that's something that somebody committed to do the diversification of economy and putting that much commitment, and now it's happening. So I'm optimistic.
And your own institute is expanding, right? Didn't you just buy the Atlantic City Press building?
Yes. So we started in one small room in Absecon in 2016. We're ready to invite everybody in a month or two to our newest campus as a formerly known Press of Atlantic City building. It's a 45,000 square foot, and we're bringing small business accelerator. And that's why I'm excited to be a part of this also. I'm hoping to bring 50 startups from India to Atlantic County who are going to change. We're probably going to bring approximately $50 million investment, VC investment for those startups here in Atlantic County.
How are you attracting them here?
Preparing the workforce, that's a key. Like a lot of time we like to say that we wanted to invite the startups, but where are they going to be working and who's going to be working for them? So that's an important part. And I've been seeing the Stockton University, Atlantic Cape Community College, their investment in tech. We have a now drone program in Atlantic Cape Community College, Esports Innovation Center in Stockton University. Those efforts help bringing the startups who can be confident that, okay, if they wanted to find a worker, they will be able to find. So we are that bridge. Ideal Institute of Technology is a bridge between those students who are not career ready. And I always am vocal about this, that a lot of people saying now in America that college is not for everybody. We need to find a trades. And I always say all those people who are saying it, they're all Ivy League graduates and their kids are in college. So I run a trade school, but I'm a big advocate that everybody have to go to college to understand and get that life experience. But sometimes they're not ready for it. That's where Ideal Institute of Technology is playing the role, where we prepare our youth who are not college ready to prepare them and give them that opportunity that they can earn and learn at the same time.
Well, that's great. And I love the way that you're bringing an accelerator to this area, because it's one thing that I think is lacking in the area is having that venture acceleration, because startups have to go somewhere to figure out how to do it. There's no history.
Absolutely. And I started my first business when I was in 10th grade in India. So I usually say that I learned, and especially the part of India I'm from, everybody does business, all the Patels from. So I dreamed of creating a career college and teach entrepreneurship as a trade. And we're successfully doing that. We just graduated 2 brothers their own food truck from our entrepreneurship program. They're owner of a food truck, and it's only food truck in Atlantic City, and it's in Tanger Outlet. So being a first career college that anybody enroll in an entrepreneurship program, they graduate with their own business in an operation. I think, as far as I know, that we're the only school that doing that.
So your school is called the Ideal Institute of Technology. So I'm thinking IIT, and I'm thinking Indian Institute of Technology.
That's right.
The IIT of United States.
That's the vision. IIT, Indian Institute of Technology, is a beacon of a tech world in India and around the globe. And we wanted to go towards that for our at-risk youth. So that's why it's an ideal education.
Excellent. Thank you, Ren.
Thank you.